this tutorial, we will learn about match function. So match function searches a value within a range and returns its relative position of the value within a range. That means match function will search a value within a range of cells and returns its position. Here the example you can see, this is the range of item name and we are finding the mouse within this range. So we get 4 as its position, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the function of match. So the syntax of match is equal to match within bracket lookup value comma lookup array comma match type. So match type is in square bracket, so it is optional. You can use or you may not. So lookup value is the value to be searched within lookup array. That is, mouse is the lookup value which we want to search within this range, and lookup array is the range of cells where we want to search. So this is the lookup array. And match type, in match type we can use 0 for exact match and 1 and minus 1 for ascending and descending order, 1 for ascending and minus 1 for descending. So let's understand this in details with different examples. Here we have 5 examples to understand this match function. So the first example, let's delete this one. Here we want to find the exact match of mouse within this range and find its position. So type here equal to match lookup value is mouse comma lookup array is this range comma match type 0, bracket close and enter. We got 4. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way match function actually works in case of exact match. But for match type 1 and minus 1, that is ascending and descending order, we'll understand that. So for in example 2, we will understand the approximate match in ascending order. So here we have data, that is item name, stock and price. So here we will type equal to match. Lookup value is our mouse, comma, lookup array is this one, comma, use 1 for ascending order, bracket close and enter. We got 4, and you have to remember this formula will give approximate match, not the exact match. So let's type here mouse, it is giving 3 because mouse is in 4th position, so it will give the above value. If I type here pen, it gives 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I use here hard, it is giving nothing. But if I give MON, it's giving 3. Okay, now let's check the stock. So equal to match, lookup value is this one, lookup array is this one, comma 1, bracket close and enter. Now it's giving the first position. 25 is here, it is in 2nd position, it is showing 1st position. Now if I give suppose 27, so it's giving 3rd position, 1, 2, 3, it's 27, 26, it is giving 3rd position. If I place here 9, it's NA. If I place here 45, it's giving 4. If I type here 49, still 4. If I give here 51, is 5th position. Now here the price, so equal to match lookup array is this one, comma lookup array is this one, comma 1, bracket close and enter. So it's giving 3, 1, 2, 3, 600. So if I type here 251, still giving 3. If I give here 249, not available. So it's not getting any match, because in case of ascending order, you have to make this value in an ascending order. So if I, let's set all these with headings and custom short, and here by price, smallest to largest. Now you can see it's not showing Okay, let's understand 249. So 249 is beyond 250. That's why it is not showing. If I use 251, it's working fine. Now here you can see the position became 5 and here 1. In this way, the approximate match in ascending order works. Now for descending order, you have to remember you have to keep where suppose you want to find the value within this range, then you have to arrange this in descending order. If you want to find in this array, then you have to make this in descending order. So let's check it. Equal to match, lookup value is mouse, comma, within this range, comma, -1, bracket close and enter. We get the first position. Now if I select this and go to custom sort and here item name Z to A. Okay, now it's gone here, second position. And if you put this in ascending order, not available. You can see we're not getting this. This is how it is working. Now here equal to match, lookup value is 24, comma, within this range, comma, -1, bracket close and enter. It's also giving error because these are not in proper order. So select this, custom sort, stock, largest to smallest. Now you can see it is showing as fourth position, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. Approximate match. Now here equal to match, lookup value is this one, comma, this is the array, comma, -1, bracket close and enter. Second position. But if you make this in ascending order, custom sort, price, smallest to largest, okay, not available. So these are not in descending order. That is why it is giving error. So if you want to get the approximate match in ascending or descending order, you have to put the table in ascending or descending order. Now fourth example, wildcard match. So let's check it. Type here equal to match, lookup value. So here we will use the wildcard in the lookup value. So select this one, this cell, and within quotation star. That means after this value, anything you get that will be indexed, or you will get the position of that value, comma, lookup array is this one, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close and enter. We got the first position, but in first position we have MO, mouse, and here MO. But if I type here MON, then it is in fourth position because MON then star, that means any value. And you have to remember, if we have same lookup value, that is here we have mouse, suppose here also we have mouse, and if I type here MOU, it will return first position, that is the first matched value. It will never give you the any other match. So this is way you have to create, that is any cell value and star within quotation. So if you want to search a value with wildcard, you can use the formula in this way. Now in the fifth example, we will use this match function with index and a vlookup. Suppose we have this database and we want to see the stock and price of any item. If I click on hard disk, we have 15 stocks and the price is 3000. If I use mouse, then mouse 28 and price is 4500. In the vlookup, we have also used in the same way, hard disk or mouse will get the result. So how to use this match with the help of index and vlookup? Let's see this. So first here we will get the stock. equal to index. So index, we want to get the stock. So here select this range. This is the array from where we want to show the value, comma. Then from which row we want to take the value. So we want to take the value of mouse. So mouse is in 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth position. So we want to take the value of fourth position. Here we will use the match function. Match, lookup value is mouse, comma, lookup array is this one, comma, exact match, bracket close. So this will return us 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our row number became 4. So in this array 1, 2, 3, 4 will get 28. And here bracket close for index and enter 28. In the same way we have to use the formula for price, equal to index. Now array will be price, comma, row number in the same way match, lookup value is mouse, comma, lookup array is this one, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close for match, bracket close for index, enter. So when we change the value here, hard disk is changing, pen drive, monitor, all is changing. Now with vlookup, equal to vlookup, now lookup value, which one we want to place here. So first lookup value, then table array, then column index number, and then range lookup. So our lookup value is mouse, comma, our table array is this one, comma, column index number. So here we want to get the stock. So stock is in second row. We can use match for column index, match, then lookup value is stock, comma, lookup array is second column. So select this, comma, 0, bracket close. You can see column index number, press F2, it is 2. Now here put comma. Now range lookup, F for exact match, false, or you may use 0, bracket close and enter. We get 28. The same way we have to use here for price. So equal to vlookup, lookup value is mouse, comma, table array. This is the table array, comma, column index number is match. Then here we have to use the lookup value. So price is the lookup value and lookup array is this one, comma, 0 for exact match, then comma, 0 for exact match, enter. 4500 for mouse, you can see here 28, 4500. Change it to hard disk 15 and 3000. So in this way you can use the match with different formula to make your formula dynamic. So in this way you can use the match function. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well. But still, if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely help you out. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to support us. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.